Good morning students, welcome to Rishikul Online School. In this video, you will learn about the political boundaries of India. India is the 7th largest country in area and the second largest country in terms of population. It is the third largest country in Asia. If you look at the world map, you will find that India is located in the southern part of the continent of Asia. And here you see different countries surrounding India in the north, south, east and west. These are the neighboring countries of India. Pakistan and Afghanistan lies in the northwest, Nepal in the north, Bhutan in the northeast and China in the north and northeast. Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east, Maldives and Sri Lanka in the south. India and its neighboring countries cover such a large portion of Asia that these countries taken together are known as a subcontinent. India is a vast country with large population. It has been divided into smaller regions known as states. There are 28 states and 8 union territories in India. Here you can see the 28 states and 8 union territories of India. Chandigarh is the union territory and capital of two states, Punjab and Haryana. Srinagar is the summer capital and Jammu is the winter capital of Jammu and Kashmir. The government of India has two main levels, the central government and the state government. Each state has its own government while union territories are governed directly by the central government. All the important government houses are located in New Delhi since it is the capital of India. The President and Prime Minister are the most important people in the government. India is governed by the rules made in the Parliament, which is located in New Delhi. In a state government, the Chief Minister and Governor are the most important people. In a union territory, the Lieutenant Governor is responsible for governance. The local government bodies are responsible for the smaller areas like villages and cities. The big cities of India are governed by municipal corporations, which are local governing bodies that work for the development of a city. They collect tax and get money from the government and provide services like healthcare, transport, housing and education. In smaller cities or towns, municipalities look after the facilities of the people. The states are divided into districts. These are further divided into blocks and villages. At the local level, the Gram Panchayat looks after the welfare of the people in the village. Dear students, in this video you have learned that India is the 7th largest country in the world and the 3rd largest country in Asia. India is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. The government of India has two main levels, the central government and the state government. At the local level, municipal corporations, municipalities, Gram Panchayat looks after the welfare of the people. Thank you and have a nice day.